And consistently electric means, of course, that we also start to electrify the high-performance segment. Ladies and gentlemen, here's another world premiere. The new Audi RS7 Sportback. Here we go. You can see performance is an attitude. And the RS7 Sportback comes for the first time with 48-volt mild hybrid system. Ladies and gentlemen, now you have seen that Audi is changing. And the future is electric across all segments. But it is more than just electric. Let's have a look at our 4 pioneers. This baby is first time on stage as well. Ladies and gentlemen, here's another world premiere. The new Audi RS7 Sportback. And the RS7 Sportback comes for the first time with 48-volt mild hybrid system.
Ladies and gents, here it is, our beauty, the RS7 Sportback.
Oh my God, I'm so proud of the team. They have delivered a great show here today. And I think we have seen in the reactions of the consumers and visitors here that this has really rocked the stage. So very proud of this. And I think everybody has seen Audi is changing. Audi is electric. And with this latest baby here as a concept car, exciting news. I don't see that these are two different things. Consequently, electric is exactly our strategy, and that's what we're doing. So you have seen today as well in the Audi RS7 that we will use the 48-volt mild hybrid. So electrification comes the whole way. But of course, there is a high demand, and we have really big fans on the RS line, and definitely want to have everybody in the RS as happy as everybody in the e-tron.